Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to remove Office 365 from Windows. For this we need to go to Start and type in, well, Applications, yes, Apps. Oh, it opens through Settings. So in the search bar type Apps. Here we need to find the installed applications. There. And in the search box type 365. There. And there it is. Now click on the three dots and click delete and delete again. There, you can also see, look here, click delete. Or you can do this by simply typing Office and clicking the three dots, then delete. That's it. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. This was Ever with you. Goodbye everyone.